Hey there, Lovies. So I decided to create a DIY deep conditioner treatment. If you would like to see how I came up with this concoction, then stay tuned. First, you will need to grab your favorite deep conditioner. In this video, I will be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I also want to point out that I have some leftover Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair mask that I have mixed in this jar for this recipe. But again, you can use your favorite deep conditioner or hair mask for this recipe. To the deep conditioner, I will add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1 teaspoon each of the Sweet Almond Oil and the Avocado Oil. I will combine the conditioner and the 3 oils into this yellow mixing bowl. So let's begin. I'm taking the conditioner and I'm taking the contents out and putting it inside the bowl. And I'm trying to scrape to make sure that I get as much out of the jar as possible into the bowl. And by this time, I realized that I was better off just leaving the conditioner in the jar in the first place. So here you will see me taking the conditioner out the bowl and putting it back into the jar where I will mix the oils. I will now add 1 teaspoon of the extra virgin olive oil and put that into the conditioner. Next, a teaspoon of the avocado oil. And finally, a teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. And now, this is how it looks before I start mixing. So now I will take the spoon and I will mix the conditioner and the 3 oils together until it forms a smooth paste. And you should see something like this. Your conditioner should be, should have this consistency. And this is what your conditioner should look like once the oils have been well incorporated. So after I wash my hair, I apply the deep conditioner mix into my hair. And I put my hair under plastic cap and I sat for about 40 to 45 minutes before rinsing the conditioner out, and these are the results. My hair felt very, very soft and it was well conditioned, and so I will be doing this more often. I used to do it a lot more often when my hair was longer back in the days, but I've been keeping my hair short lately, so I hadn't been as diligent, but now I'm getting back into these conditioner concoctions. So let me know in the comment section what conditioners and what oils that you decide to use for this mixture. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. And there will be another video that will show how I styles my hair after I rinse this conditioner out. So thanks again for watching. Bye bye.